Today we're going to take this bumper mount off the rear, drill it out so that we can collapse it and tuck in the rear bumper. If you look at the front bumper, it's sticking out way too far. We're going to be able to tuck that in, clean up that body line, and make it look better. So I've already done one, so this one's going to be easy. It just comes out of there with a 19mm bolt. This piece just pops out, sort of. So what you're left with is dirt and grime. And what we're going to do is drill out that center portion right there. There's a rod in there that keeps this from compressing. There's oil in there too. So when we drill it, the oil is going to come out, and then once we move the rod, we'll be able to compress the spring. I know what you're thinking. That's too big. Trust me, I've done this before. Let the pressure blow off for a minute. So here's the rod. Right in there. You can see it move back and forth. Now what we have to do is get a hole big enough to push that through. Show you the trick. Handy dandy step bit. That's it. This thing's over 40 years old. Put some WD-40 on there. Now whack it. Easy. Once you remove that rod and the oil, you can put it any size you want. If you're working over here you have to have the tank out, and you're going to have to put this rubber grommet back in. I'll show you because you won't believe me. So we're going to put this in. Line up the holes. Get started. Okay? You're not going to get what you want. WD-40 is your friend. Trust me. I've done this before. Just pops in. Sort of. It's not bad. Pain in the ass. Right? Also, if you're working over here, you have the gas tank out because you can't get that bolt out when the gas tank's in the way. So we got the bumper back on, and you see how far it sticks out. This is all covered with a plastic piece when we get it finally on final assembly. So now let's tighten it up. I think we're just going to go all the way in. So now you know. If you want to tuck it, you can just go all the way in. So what we do now is tack those with the welder, and that'll hold it in place. Otherwise, this, if you don't, it's going to move. All that costs money.